Hi, I'm Z4PeopleBrooks and I'm the British Tech Guru. This is that Chinese milling machine. And what I'm going to try and do is to mill a little bit of a slot in this dowel. So move that down there. Let's move that across a little bit like that. And we'll see how it goes. This is my first attempt. I've never used this machine before. I think it's probably set up right. So let's just try it. Okay, I did find that the thing was moving a little bit on its own. The x-axis was moving independently. So let's just have a little look, see what we've done. And I've clearly moved it a little bit too far, and those are way not straight, which tells me there's been a little bit of creep involved. I'm not sure how to solve the creep issue, but it's good to know that there is creep. So what I'm going to do is I can put that in again, tighten that up. This time I'm going to hold on to the both axes and we'll see what happens. I notice I can turn faster than I thought. Okay, so I'm not going to wind it. There we are. And then try it the other way. Okay, so let's wind this up and see where we've got to this time, and let's have a look. Yes, that's a lot straighter. You see the difference between the two ends? So clearly I'm going to have to hold it. So okay, that's not actually too bad. It's quite reasonably deep. I didn't want to do it too deep. So clearly the milling machine does work. There's a little bit of wobble in the thing, but I don't think the wobble makes an awful lot of difference at the kind of scale I'll be working. So that clearly works. Now the annoying thing about this is that it uses a totally different power plug than I'm used to. Now I did have a little green power plug somewhere, I can't find it right now. The power plug is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to have to snip the cable off here and fit my own power connector, which I was going to anyway, but I didn't want to be quite so destructive. But that is actually quite promising. That's with wood.